at my side or from my side, I resemble to my mother. Nous
Yeah.
avons la même allure. We have the same look. La même allure. Ça veut dire
Memma?
the même.
Hey
Memma.
there, welcome to frenchnyou, your go-to place for affordable live online French courses. Whether you are a beginner or preparing for DELF or DELF exam, we have got you covered. Join our global community of more than 25,000 learners from more than 45 different countries with 2 million plus views on YouTube. On our website, you can rate your own French level and pick the batch that suits you best. We offer multiple time slots and you get to choose two preferences at the time of registration. Every French course includes 2 mock DELF practice exams and a course completion certificate. Visit frenchnyou.com to explore course details, success stories and more.
Vous pouvez lire le document 3 et après, vous pouvez faire la question numéro 6, 7 et 8.
Je m'appelle Thomas. Thomas, we'll say Thomas.
Thomas.
Thomas. Je m'appelle Thomas. Je suis un she is what?
Yeah, I mean like chic type, like
Okay.
fashionable type.
Je travaille dans une
Papeterie.
papeterie. Papeterie.
Papeterie is like a stationery shop.
Cheveux coats. Okay.
That means short hair. This guy Thomas, he's saying that he likes a woman with the short hair, and this girl's name Louise. She's her favorite. She's his favorite. She's funny, like pretty, brown, a bit like like
Has brown eyes.
brownish. No, brunette, kind of brunette.
Long hair.
Yeah, long hair and always like always
attached.
tied up with the things.
Okay.
Always tied up, yeah. And my fiance, but
My
engaged.
but
Engaged.
She
to a
has
fiance.
a fiance.
Yeah.
Fiance. So
Yeah.
the rigolo, Pluto, these are all adjectives.
No, so I'll tell you. Les cheveux longs mais toujours attachés. That means like tied up hair. The hair
She
that
has
with a
long
bun.
hair which is tied up. Always
Yeah,
tied up.
attaché. Toujours attaché is like hair that are tied up.
Then Sandrine. Serious.
Sérieux.
Les cheveux.
Brown hair.
Yeah, brown hair. Attaché en
chignon.
It's
like tied up in a bun.
I'll read, then I'll load down. Then I'll note down. La femme de ma vie, elle a les cheveux courts, elle est brune, elle a
la peau.
This woman is my life.
Skin, a bit. The woman of my life. The woman of my life. She has short hair. Brown, brunette. She has like a dark skin. Po is like skin. Po is the skin.
Maman, très jeune, une blonde, ou cheveux
cheveux
fins, en robe légère ou yeux clair, bleu, azur, dans blanche. Good paragraph. Papa. Papa is Papa only, huh? Papa. Papa, un jeune homme means
man.
Man's a riche
studious.
Il a fait le tour du monde à 18 ans, concentré et passionnant. Il a l'œil word per person. So Mamo.
Mamo is like an informal way of saying mother. Ma.
Young and blonde and
fine hair. And in a light dress. With fine hair and in a light dress. Aux yeux clairs. Bleu azure. That means like, like with clear and azure blue eyes. And white.
And then father is also a young man. Mins what?
Mans is like slim and rich.
Slim and rich and How will we say?
Studious.
Studio.
Studious.
Studious.
Like pronunciation of this word is studio. Studio. And it means studious. Il a fait le tour du monde à 18 ans. It means he did the world tour at the age of 18. Yeah. Concentré et passionnant. Focus, like concentrated, or maybe you can say focused. And passionate. He has like piercing green eyes.
From my side, I resemble my mom.
Damokote.
Damokote meaning like in between.
At my side. At my side, or from my side, I resemble to my mother. Nous avons la même allure. We have the same look. La même allure. Ça veut dire the même. La même allure. That means the same look. Les mêmes jambes. That means the same legs. La même voix. The same voice. And pour une femme de son âge, for a woman of her age, ma mère est active et énergique.
Energetic.
Yeah. And she's more energetic. And
so the more kote means on my part. Is it a phrase?
Damokote. Yeah, we can say damokote. If you're talking about yourself, damokote, you can say. Or you can also say damapar from my part, or for my part.
And kurt is short, no?
Yeah, kurt is short.
And this rigolot, ele rigolot,
Rigolot is like funny, somebody who is funny.
And Pluto?
Increase the intensity of something, you know, like Pluto Jolie, she's quite pretty like that.
I say like quite like that, like to stress.
Yeah, to stress on a particular adjective, yeah. Kind of an adverb, and you can consider it this meaning like rather prettier, you know.
In the sixth one,
there are three paragraphs given, small text boxes.
And we have to give them the titles.
So we have to give them a particular title. Like for example, cette femme qui dit être ma mère.
So B. Because no. Then C.
This lady who says to be my mother.
This lady, that's what. It will be C.
Yeah.
It will be C. C. This lady. Then a French novel.
We just have two options. What do you think? A or B?
B. And then Les femmes
aux cheveux courts.
A. Now next one is 7th May. So first one is D. Or I'll do like A. Na?
Correct. No, that's correct. You're right. First one will go with D.
Then second one will go with C. Third one will go with E. Then fourth one will go with B.
B, yes.
B. And the last one is A.
Right. Okay. De qui parle l'auteur in extract number C? Et pourquoi?
So, I want to write that. So I've written Latour parle. I want to say about herself.
No. In the third extract, in this extract, the author is talking about whom and why?
Yeah, the author is talking about himself. Or he's talking about his mother.
On my side or at my side, I resemble like my mother. So he is actually relating himself with his mother. He is talking more about
that how he resembles
because
his mother.
In the last also he said, na, for a mother, like at her age, my mother is very active and energetic.
So how will I'll write Latour parle about
l'auteur parle de sa mère.
C'est sa mère.
De sa mère.
De sa mère, yeah. Okay. De sa mère parce que elle femme, then the last line.
Okay, that is also correct.
Active and then active or énergique.
That is also correct. And we can just to share the complete response as mentioned by the book. So you can also say Elle parle de sa mère. She's talking about her mother parce que, because elle ressemble à sa mère, because she looks like her mother. Elle explique pourquoi elle ressemble à sa mère. And he explains why, she explains why she looks like her mother. Because she has the same look, the same kind of legs, same voice. Here we have the adjectives of colors, right? Colors, I think you know
We've done,
colors.
yeah, we've done
You
colors.
have
Yeah,
done colors, right? Okay. So here, if you will see, you can see like colors of your hair.
Noir,
So you
brown.
can have a look. Like first of all, here in this case, Elle a les cheveux blancs.
Yeah, so
She has blonde hair,
blonde hair,
or
and
we
she's
can
blonde.
say simply, or elle est blonde.
Elle est blonde, yeah.
Then
The one
il
noir.
a les cheveux noirs. This guy has
Black
black hair. Or we can say
lip.
because he's having a brown complexion, he's having dark complexion, we can say il est brun. Brun. Okay. Then this girl has
Long.
like brownish hair.
Yeah.
Elle a les cheveux châtains.
Sata. Okay.
Elle est châtain. If we say elle est châtain, that also means we're talking about brownish
Yeah.
hair.
Okay.
Then if somebody is having reddish hair, we can say elle a les cheveux roux. Roux. Roux means reddish hair. Another way we can also say elle est rousse. So if you will see, if we are talking about the hair, like les cheveux, in that case we have to match this particular adjective with this noun cheveux. So as you can see, cheveux is masculine plural, so roux will be added. But
Yeah,
if we are
not
talking about let's say she is reddish haired, so in that case we are describing the personality of the girl, like she's
girl. Okay.
yeah. So because L is a feminine singular word, or we can say a subject, so ROUSSE, Rus, LA Rus.
Yeah.
And another another type, like how are your hair? Now we will have we have divided into two parts. First is when we talk about la longueur, like in terms of length of your hair. How can we say, if somebody's hair are short hair, we can say elle a les cheveux courts, short hair, right? If somebody has a mid-length hair, like hair that are not too short or not too long, mid-length, we can say elle a les cheveux mi-long. Mi-long, like mid-length.
Right.
Then if somebody has long hair, we can say elle a les cheveux long.
Long.
Now, we have type of hair now, some people can have curly, or, like rounded hair, or what do we say, the curly hair only, no? Or is there any other word also? Okay.
Curly,
Then we have straight hair, people who have straight hair. So Ella, for straight, we can say elle a les cheveux red. Red. That means straight hair. And for somebody who is having curly hairs, so then we can say elle a les cheveux bouclés or frisés. Hair tied in a bun. So we can say cheveux attachés en chignon. Some adjectives that are used differently, like with être verb, with avoir, like how we can use them. For example, with être verb, we can use some of these adjectives. For example, les cheveux. When we talk about the hair, we can say elle est roux, elle est rousse. Elles sont roux, or we can say elle est rousse. Châtain, blanc, brune. Then we have la silhouette. Qu'est-ce que c'est silhouette?
Silhouette is what?
So silhouette is just like somebody who is having, let's say, elegant personality look. So we can say elle a une silhouette élégante. Then we have taille. Taille is like size.
Size, okay.
Okay, like somebody who is, let's say, size is like short size, tall. I mean, tall, big.
Right.
The taille moyenne. Taille moyenne is like average size, average. Taille also means like waist. Thigh is also the waist. Thigh is also the size. Thigh is also the height. That's why,
So for these,
petite,
moyen, no, the thigh
moyenne,
moyen is
average.
average. Average. Yeah.
Average height, we can say average height, average size.
So for these physique adjectives, we have to use it, no? That's what.
Yeah, if you can say, so for example, you can, if you want to say
Yeah.
he is short or she is
he's
short, you can say
Yeah.
LA petit.
Elle petit.
Then for avoir, you can like you can use these for like to mention like about skin. She has what type of skin somebody has. So
Okay.
like this la peau is a skin. So
La
how
peau.
many types of skin are there? Like clear skin, matte, you know. Then bronze is like tanned skin. For example, if you want to say he has a tanned skin, you can say. So il a
Il a. Yeah. Il a
la peau
bronze.
bronze. La
Il
peau
a la
bronze.
peau bronze. Il a.
Okay. Then about eyes. So somebody's eyes can be clear, clair, noir, vert, bleu, gris, marron.
Yeah.
Then about cheveux.
So cheveux, we can use it both, être or avoir.
Yeah. For example, you want to say, no, she is reddish haired. So in that case, you can use être. If you want to say she has reddish hair.
Basically, what type we will use avoir, hair type.
Yeah. Correct.